Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These shelvings you can put for the utility place, like mount on the sinks, any place you want to put on. So let's take the measurements for the overall sizes. The unit's entire length about like 46.5 inches in the length. And for the overall height, they are just about like 47.5 inches tall. And the depth, there will be about like about 15 inches deep. So we can see the units have two layers. So between the layers, they are about like 11 inches. And if you're looking down the units, we can see they do have 1, 2, 3 holes for you to secure these stands to mount on the like sinks or any like working prep tables. And this is for the units demonstrations. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.